In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Smartsheet Gantt chart. Let's jump right in and explore how you can create a Gantt chart in Smartsheet, which is an incredibly powerful tool for project planning and management. Our first step is creating or switching to a Gantt sheet, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. To get started, you need to click on the plus icon, otherwise known as the Create icon, which you'll find conveniently located in the left sidebar of your Smartsheet interface. This step is crucial as it sets up the foundation for your project, allowing you to choose the format best suited to your needs. Once you've clicked the Create icon, you'll want to select Project with Gantt View. This option ensures you start with the correct layout, designed specifically to cater to project management workflows and offer the visual timeline features Gantt charts are known for. Now, in some instances, you might already have an existing sheet that you want to view as a Gantt chart. If that's the case, Smartsheet makes it simple to switch between views without losing any of your data. To do this, open your existing sheet and look towards the top toolbar. Here you'll find options to change the view, and you'll want to select Gantt View. Once you've done this, immerse yourself in the visual representation of your project's timeline and task dependencies, with the chart appearing promptly to the right of your main grid. It's important to note the added versatility this user-friendly interface offers. Switching views doesn't just serve an aesthetic function. It's a practical tool that helps highlight different aspects and perspectives of your project. The Gantt view is particularly beneficial when it comes to understanding the project's timeline and the relationship between different tasks, as it offers a clear visual representation of deadlines, milestones, and dependencies. As you navigate through this process, remember that having a clear visual representation of your project's timeline can significantly enhance your ability to manage tasks, allocate resources effectively, and make adjustments as needed. The Gantt chart view in Smartsheet is designed to provide you with the insights you need to keep your project on track and successful, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to create or switch to a Gantt sheet in Smartsheet. Whether you're starting from scratch or transforming an existing project sheet, Smartsheet's Gantt charts offer intuitive and comprehensive tools to suit your project management needs. I hope you found this guide clear and easy to follow. Be sure to stick around for more tutorials on optimizing your use of Smartsheet and keeping your projects running smoothly. Thank you for watching.